In the context of controversies surrounding the right to practice religion, let's discuss secularism under the Constitution. In 1976, by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment, the word secular was added to the preamble of the Constitution. India, being a secular state, has no state religion, which means that it follows no particular religion. Articles 25 to 28 in the Constitution of India provides a right to freedom of religion. Article 25 states that all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion in a manner that does not adversely affect public order, health or morality. Freedom of conscience is the inner freedom of an individual to mold their relation with God in whatever way they desire. Right to profess stands for declaration of one's religious beliefs. Right to practice entitles the performance of religious worship, rituals, ceremonies and exhibition of beliefs and ideas. Right to propagate stands for the circulation of one's religious beliefs to others. S.R. Bommai vs. Union of India, 1994. The Supreme Court held that the state should free itself from religious affinity. Religious freedom is the hallmark of pluralism and inclusiveness. It is meant to advance social harmony and diversity. While legitimate restrictions are to be accepted, irrational and motivated intrusion into religious notions should be averted. Do you think it is necessary that a secular state should intervene in religious matters and endanger the sentiments of followers, that too in the absence of a grave harm that affects a section of the society?